Welcome friends in my new video where we are going to solve the question number 62 to 66. Total 5 questions of past adjustment. Question number 62. Ram, Sham and Mohan are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 2:1:2. The capitals were fixed at 3 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. For the year ended 31st March 2019, interest on capital was credited to them at the rate 9% instead of 10% per annum. The profit for the year before charging interest was 2,50,000. Show your working notes clearly and pass necessary adjustment account. Like previous question, I have told you that either you can take 9% back and you can give 10% again, or you can give directly 1% more to make it 10%. So I am going to give only 1% because there is no need to take 9%. So let us start. Here you have to note down that we have only one ratio. That's why there is no need to take the profits back. So let us prepare past adjustment. This is question number 62. This is Ram, Sham, and Mohan. This is firm, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, particulars, statement showing past adjustment, now interest on capital. It is said we have to give 10%, but we have given only 9%. So 1% we are going to give. Now 1% will be 3,000 that we are going to give. 3,000, 1,000, 1%, 2,000 of 1% of 2 lakh. So total it will be 6,000 debit. As you know, we have to close from, that means P&L appropriation account first. So 6,000, 6,000, 6,000. This is our loss which we are going to distribute in partners in the given ratio. Loss distributed in 2:1:2. That is 5. 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So it is 2,400, it is 3,000, it is 1,200, it is 1,000, it is 2,400, and it is 2,000. So we are going to take the difference amount and we are going to write it on the larger side, the total which is larger. So 600 here, 200 here, and 400 here. Now we are going to pass the entry. As you know, partners capital is fixed. We are going to pass directly through current account, date, particulars. There is a following: debit rupees, credit rupees. As you see, Sham's current account will be debited, Mohan's current account will be debited. Sham's current account debit, Mohan's current account debit, to Arms Canada. It is 200, 400 to the 600. The date is given, then it will be 1/4/2019. Then adjustment entry passed. Now we move to next question. Question number 63. Meeta and Usha are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3. Their capital account as on 1st April 2015 showed balances of 1,40,000 and 1,20,000 respectively. These are the opening capitals. The drawing of Meeta and Usha during the year 2015-16 were 32,000 and 24,000 respectively. Both the amounts are withdrawn on 1st January 2016. That means only 3 months we have to calculate because the date of drawings is given. It was subsequently found that the following items have been omitted while preparing the final account for the year ending 31st March 2016. Interest on capital at the rate 6% per annum, interest on drawings at the rate 6% per annum. Meeta was entitled to a commission of rupees 8,000 for the whole year, showing you working clearly past the rectifying entry in the books of the firm. So let us start the question. Solution of question number 63. Again we are going to prepare the statutory past adjustment from statement showing past adjustment particulars. Meeta, Usha, firm, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit. Now let us give interest on capital which is not given. So interest on capital will be given at the rate 6% per annum. Capital is 14 6 are 84. So it will be 8,400. Then 12 6 are 72. So it will be 15,600 total. Then interest on drawings is also not taken. So we are going to take we are going to calculate here. Meeta IOD equals to Meeta's drawing was 32,000 and the rate was 6%. We are going to calculate for 3 months because the drawings were done on 1st January 2016 only. So 8 6 are 48, 480. Whereas Usha's IOD 24,000 into 6% into 3/12. $360. So 480 and 360 total will be 840. Then Mita's commission, just it will be given to Mita. Mita's commission will be credited to Mita's account and it will be debited to firms. As only one ratio is given to us, no need to take the profits back. Now let us close the firm first. 23,600, 23,600, 22,760. Now we are going to distribute this in the given ratio. This is our loss. Loss distributed in, I think it is 2:3. Now we are going to distribute that amount. 4s are 20, 5s are 25, 5s are 25, 4, 5, 5, 2. Then it will be 9104 and it will be 13,656. Now it's okay. Now we are going to clear the things here so that we can make space for entry. Now take the total. 9584, 16,400, 13,900, 14,610, 14,016 and 7,200. It should be noted that whatever amount you are getting, because two partners are there, amount difference should be equal. Amount difference should be equal. So let us find out the difference. So it will be 9, 6, 8. So 10, 6816. 6816. So let us plug the entry. Date, particulars, laser folio, debit rupees, credit rupees, journal entries, the date is given to us, that is 31st March 16. So it will be 1/4/16. Usha's capital account debit to Mita's capital account. Six 816 6816 being adjustment entry cost. Please try to write down the narration. It is also compulsory. Now we move to next question, question number 64. Question number 64. Mohan, Vijay and Anil are partners. The balances of their capital account being 30,000, 25,000 and 20,000 respectively In arriving at this amount, profit for the year ended 31st March 2019, rupees 24,000 had already been credited to partners in the proportion in which they shared profits. Okay. Now, their drawings were 5,000, 4,000 and 3,000 during the year. Subsequently, following omissions were noticed and it was decided to rectify the error. Interest on capital at the rate 10% per annum. Interest on drawings Mohan 250, Vijay 200 and Anil 150. Make necessary correction through a general entry and show your working clearly. As you have seen the language of the question, it says that the capital which is given to us is a closing capital. So we have to calculate interest on capital. For that sake, I have to find out interest on capital first. So let us find out interest on capital. For that, we are going to find out the opening capital. So question number 64. Calculation of opening capital. Because closing capital is given to us. There are three partners. Particulars Mohan, Vijay and again closing capitals were 30,000, 25,000 and 20,000 respectively. We are going to add drawings. Drawings is directly given to us 5,000, 4,000 and 3,000 respectively. We are going to add it. It will be 35,000, 29,000 and 23,000. Now we are going to deduct sharing profit. Profit is given 24,000, but the ratio is not given. In the absence of partnership deed, the ratio will be equal. So when you divide 24,000 equally, it will be 8,000 each. So this will be our opening capital 27,000, 21,000 and 15,000. This is our opening capital on which we are going to calculate our interest on capital. So let us start. Now we are going to present the statement. Statement showing past adjustment particular Mohan debit credit, Vijay debit credit, Anil debit credit, firm debit credit. Let us give interest on capital. Interest on capital. Interest on capital will be 2,700, 10%, 2,100 and 1500, the total will be 6300 debit. Now take interest on drawings. That is directly given 250, 200, 150, that will be 450, 600. Now let us close. It will be 6,300, 6,300, 5,700. Now we are going to distribute this 5,700 between the partners equally because ratio is not given to us. This is loss distributed equally. Now $1,900 will be the loss, 1,900 each. So let us close. It will be 2,150, 2,150, 2,700. It will be 2,100, 2,100. It will be 2,050, 1,500. So find out the difference. It will be 550 and sorry, here we are going to write 550. Now we are going to pass the entry. So for that I am going to clear the statement of opening capital. It is very easy. If you do it carefully, you will find that it is very easy. Date, particular, ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees, general entry. So date will be 1/4/2019 and the entry will be Anil's capital account debit to Mohan's capital account. $550 B adjustment entry passed. This is very easy. Mohan is credited, so we are going to credit here, and Anil is debited, we are going to debit here. Now we move to next question, question number 65. Question number 65. Priya and Beena are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 ratio is given. Following was the balance sheet of the firm as on 31st March 2016. The date is given and balance sheet is always prepared at the year end. That means closing capital is given to us. The capitals Priya and Beena and assets are given, that is of no use. So closing capital of Priya and Beena is given. The profit rupees 30,000 for the year ended 31st March 2016 were divided between the partners without allowing interest on capital at the rate 12% per annum. As soon as you see this thing, closing capital is given and we have to calculate the interest on capital. We have to find out first opening capital. Now it is said, and the salary of Priya 1,000 per month. Both things are not given. During the year, Priya withdraws 8,000 and Bina withdraws 4,000. Show your working notes clearly. Pass the necessary rectifying entry. So let us start the question. Question number 65. Again, we are going to calculate the opening capital first. Calculation of opening capital particular Priya and Bina. The closing capitals were 80,000 and 40,000 respectively. The profit was already distributed in the given ratio, that was 30,000, that we are going to deduct afterwards. We are going to add drawings first. Drawings were 8,000 and 4,000. So it will be 88,000 for the 4,000 less sharing profit, that is 30,000 in the ratio is to 2. So 5 6 are 30, 6 is 18 and 12. So the opening capital will be, it will be 70,000 and it will be 32,000 here, opening capital. So let us find out the rectification entry. For that we are going to prepare a statement showing past adjustment. Priya, Bina from debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, particulars. Now let us read interest on capital. Interest on capital, we have to give 12%, 8,400, because it is 12%, and it will be 3,840. Then it will be 12,240. Okay. Now, then it is said salary to Priya. Salary to Priya 1,000 per month, that will be 12,000. That will be 12,000. We are going to close here. It will be 24,240. 24,000 to 40. 24,000 to 40. Now we are going to close it. Let us find out the loss distributed in 3:2. So 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, 4 8 4 8. Okay, 4 8 4 8. So it will be 9696. So remaining will be 14,544. So let us find out the difference. It will be 14,544. It will be 20,400. It will be 9,696. It will be 3840. So the difference amount will be 56 6 6 and 8 14. We carry 5,856. Here it will be 56 16 then 8 8 5 5,856. Let us pause the entry. Date particular LF debit rupees, credit rupees, general entry. The date is 1/4/16 and the entry will be Venus capital account debit to PR's capital account. Being adjustment entry passed. We have done the adjustment and for that we are passing the entry. The amount is 5856. 5,856. This is it. Now we move to next question. Question number 60. Question number 66. The firm of Harry, Porter and Ali, who have been sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1, have existed for some years. Ali wanted that he should get equal share in the profits with Harry and Porter, and he further wishes that the changes in the profit sharing ratio should come into effect retrospectively for the 3 years. Harry and Porter have agreed to it. Profit for last 3 years ended 31st March, where 2015-16 2 lakh 20, 16-17 2 lakh 40, 17-18 2 lakh 90,000. Show adjustment of profits by means of an adjustment journal entry. As the ratio is same in all 3 years, we are going to add the 3 years profit and then we are going to take back the profit because ratios are 2 here. 1:2:2:1. and another one is equally. So let us first calculate total profit. Question number 66. (2015-16) is 2,20,000. 2016-17 it is 2,40,000, and 2017-18 it is 2,90,000. So total will be 6, 710, 750, 7,50,000 total. This is total profit which is already distributed in 2:2:1. We are going to take it back. Let us prepare past adjustment table. Statement showing past adjustment particulars Harry Potter, it is Potter and Ali. This is from debit credit, debit credit, debit credit, debit credit. We are going to write here profits wrongly distributed in 2:2:1. We are going to take back the profit. When we take back the profit, it will be debited to partners capital account. So 7,50,000 will be divided by 5. 15 5 is 75, 15 2 is 30, 3 lakh. We are going to take from Harry, 3 lakh from Potter, and 1,50,000 from Ali. Total, we are going to take back 7,50,000. It is going to be credited because it is our profit. Now we are going to close the things. 7,50,000, 7,50,000, and 7,50,000. This we are going to distribute equally. So it will be 2,50,000 each. Profit distributed equally. So 2,50,000 each. We are going to give 2,50,000 each. 2,50,000 each to all three. Now we are going to close 3 lakh, 2,50,000, 3 lakh, 2,50,000, 1,50,000, and 2,50,000. Now let us find out the difference. It is 50,000 debit. It is also 50,000 debit, and it is 1 lakh credit. Let us pass the entry for the same. Date, particular, laser folio, debit rupees, credit rupees, journal entry. The date will be last date, that means 1/4/18. As you see, Harry's capital amount will be debited. Harry's capital account debit, Porter's capital account debit to Ali's capital account. $50,000, 1 lakh. This is it. I have no space here, so I am not writing narration, but please you write it. This is the end of the question. If you have any doubt, please comment, and please do like the videos if you really like it. Share it and subscribe it. Thank you.